If you're ready to supercharge your team's productivity and bring some serious structure to your project management, today's tutorial is for you. We're diving deep into Asana Premium, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to unlock its advanced features to help your team stay organized, collaborate better, and gain real insight into your work, whether you're leading one project or juggling several across your organization. Let's jump straight in, starting with one of the standout upgrades, Timeline View. Think of this as your digital Gantt chart, a bird's-eye view of how your project fits together, not just a list of tasks. To use it, open any project and select the Timeline tab. Here, you can drag taskbars along the calendar to set clear start and end dates. Maybe you need task A finished before task B can even get rolling. Just draw an arrow between the two, and Asana will show the dependency. This isn't just about making things look neat. It means you and your team can immediately see potential bottlenecks or blockers before they become actual problems. If dates shift, just click and drag the tasks again to update your schedule in real time. It's powerful for planning launches, events, or any project with multiple moving parts. Don't worry if this part takes a few minutes. Getting your timing right at the start saves huge headaches down the road. Next up is advanced search and reporting, which honestly feels like having your own project detective. The regular search in Asana finds tasks, but Premium lets you dig deeper. Imagine you want a report showing only tasks assigned to you this month, or maybe those tagged high priority across all your teams. Just open the search, set your filters, and Asana pulls up exactly what you want. You can save these searches so you don't have to reinvent the wheel each time. Maybe you're a manager checking team workload, or maybe you need to track the completion status or custom fields. These reports let you keep tabs on what matters without searching through endless lists. If reports are new to you, start simple with one filter and build up. It gets easy fast. Speaking of tracking what matters, that's where custom fields come in. Let's say your team cares about priority, status, or even something unique like budget. You can add these fields from the project's customized menu, and suddenly every task can be tagged, sorted, or filtered by the data that's most important to you. Maybe you want to check which tasks are stuck in review, or see only those marked urgent. Custom fields let you standardize processes so everyone's on the same page, especially when you're scaling up or working cross-functionally. If you oversee more than one project, you'll love portfolios. Instead of hopping between tabs trying to remember which project is out of sync, create a portfolio and add all relevant projects. Now, with one glance, you see real-time progress, risks, and which initiatives need attention. It's perfect for directors or project leads who need that high-level visibility, and honestly, it's a stress reliever when you're juggling multiple deadlines. Balancing team workload is just as vital, and Premium's workload feature is a game changer. Inside a portfolio, click on the Workload tab. Now you get a clear chart showing who's swamped with tasks and who might have bandwidth for more. If someone's overloaded, you can reassign or redistribute tasks right there, helping prevent burnout before it happens. It's like playing coach. You want everyone working at their best pace, and workload helps make that happen. And last, but definitely not least, are the admin controls and security features. If you're the super admin, head to the admin console to manage users, control permissions, and set up security rules. You can even enforce two-factor authentication, which keeps your team's information safe and gives everyone peace of mind. Remember, stronger security is an investment in your team's trust and your organization's data integrity. So harnessing these Asana Premium features means you're not just tracking tasks anymore, you're turning project management into a strategic advantage. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a feature you want more details on. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this so you and your team can keep leveling up. Thanks for watching.